Creating and submitting a retrofit lighting project using the Online Lighting Calculator, Part 5, Submitting a Project for Utility Review in Hancock Cloud. This is the fifth of 6 videos that cover the application process for a retrofit lighting project in BPA's Online Lighting Calculator. It starts from the end of video 4. This video steps through the process for reviewing a project that has been synced from Mint to Hancock Cloud, and then submitting the application to the utility for final approval using the invoice function. To complete these steps, you'll need to have a user account for the OLC and have installed the OLC's Mint application on your laptop or tablet. Step 1. In Hancock Cloud, click on the Project button in the left side taskbar and then double-click on the project number to open it. Step 2. Open the Measure Management section. Review each measure for accuracy using the Details button, which will show existing and recommended retrofit equipment. If something is not correct, you'll need to make revisions in Mint and resync so that they update the records in Hancock Cloud. Assuming all is fine, click on the drop-down menu and click Assign Allocation. Check the box next to each measure, or the top one for all, and then click the Apply button. Close the screen with the X in the upper right corner. Step 3. Click the checkbox next to the project you're ready to send to the utility and click the Invoice button. This will open the Create Invoice screen. Confirm the correct allocation, rate period, has been entered. Then pick an invoice number if adding to other completed projects, or check the New Invoice checkbox. Click the Save button. Step 4. Use the left side taskbar and click on Invoice. Find the project, the newest one will be on top of the list, and double-click on the invoice number. This will show the direct costs view. Click the checkbox next to the project number and then click the Submit Invoice button. The status will change to Invoice from TA to Utility. Note, the TA here stands for Trade Ally, but this process can be completed by either a utility or trade ally. The final video in this series will cover the process for utility to complete their review and submit the project to BPA for reporting and reimbursement via BEATS. If you have any questions, please contact your energy efficiency representative, visit the Online Lighting Calculator page, or email us at lighting@bpa.gov.